Hey Nina, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be going over will be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that's anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So your website looks fantastic. My only suggestion would just be to add some more content onto your homepage. We, of course, want to appease Google by having those 1,500 words, but those keywords that I mentioned are also a huge component, and that's going to help out a tremendous amount when you are trying to get ranked on Google. So next thing we'll talk about will be citations, and citations have a lot to do with this section. This is called the map pack, and a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those details. So you would want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10 and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high on the maps here, which it looks like you already are. You guys are in the #1 spot, which is amazing. So of course, you want to continue to add on those citations or those directory listings, because as soon as your competitors start doing something different, it could affect your spot as well. So always making sure that you're just staying on top of that. That way you are beating them out every single month. But that's amazing. Awesome job there. And the next thing we'll move on to will be backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site. And it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other cleaning companies that send something back to your site, and that will signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. And because of that, it's going to be a lot more powerful as well as more unique in Google's eyes as well. And you can rank #1 here while you are still ranking #1 in that map section as well. And this is one of the tools that I use just so I can give you a visual representation. So currently your site has 17 referring domains, which are giving it 43 backlinks, getting it found for 68 keywords, and all of that is driving about 51 people to your site per month, which is great. And now here's one of the competitors. So they have 31 referring domains, giving them 396 backlinks, getting them found for 271 keywords, and all of that is driving about 309 people to their site per month. So let's take a look at the keywords that they're using, and I can kind of give you some examples of good ones, and hopefully we can get some ideas here. So right off the top, these are great ones. So maid service Raleigh. So this would be a great one because it's listing the service or the industry, but then it's listing the specific location they're trying to target. Raleigh maid services Raleigh. So these are all great ones. And these three kind of show you that you can use variations of the same word or phrase, and it's still going to count as a whole new keyword for you. Also house cleaning Raleigh NC, that would be a great one. And you can target multiple different locations. You just want to make sure that you're, of course, targeting locations within your service area. But I will not bore you and have us go through all of these keywords, but I do hope that it at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into your content. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But then again, as we spoke about earlier, also making sure that you're always adding on to that. That way you are far surpassing your competitors, because that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Nina. I do hope that this video was helpful, and if you would like more information about Dove Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thank you again for your time, and you have a fantastic rest of your day.